Many people never think about why in the Kazakh language a human is called Adam. Adam bol, Adam dar, Adam zat. This word is connected to Adam, the first human being. In Islamic tradition, all humanity comes from Adam. So, in Kazakh, Adam does not simply mean a biological human. It's also a reminder who we are, where we came from, and how we should live. That's why Kazakhs say Adam bol, meaning be honest, be worthy, remain human.